On the edge of the whispering woods, where sunlight danced on emerald leaves, two unlikely friends played near the glistening river, Sonu the clever rabbit and Raja the brave lion cub. The two were inseparable, their laughter echoing through the forest. That morning, they chased butterflies and skipped stones across the river. Suddenly, Raja's ears twitched. Did you hear that? He asked, his golden eyes narrowing. Sonu cocked his head, ears perked. A faint cry floated downstream. They rushed to the riverbank, peering into the water. A small basket was drifting along the current, and inside it, a baby. The friends froze in shock. The baby was wrapped in soft cloth, its face scrunched in distress. But that wasn't all. A dark shape was slithering silently through the water. A crocodile. Its eyes glinted with hunger as it glided toward the basket. No time to think, shouted Raja. Let's go, yelled Sonu. Without hesitation, the two leapt into the river. Raja paddled furiously toward the baby, while Sonu, thinking fast, dove in the opposite direction, splashing wildly and shouting to get the crocodile's attention. Over here, you overgrown lizard, he taunted. The crocodile turned, teeth flashing, and lunged after Sonu. The rabbit zigzagged through the water, barely evading its snapping jaws. Meanwhile, Raja reached the basket. He clamped it in his jaws gently and began kicking toward the shore. But the current was strong. Sonu, he shouted, I've got him. Sonu heard and made a sharp turn, darting through reeds and diving just in time as the crocodile snapped at his tail. The creature roared in frustration. Raja finally dragged the basket to shore, panting, water streaming from his mane. Sonu scrambled up behind him, coughing and soaked. The baby was safe. Gurgling, it reached a tiny hand toward Raja's nose and giggled. Later that day, they carried the baby through the woods to the village nearby. Alarmed villagers gathered, gasping in disbelief as they saw the baby in Raja's jaws. But once they saw the familiar blanket and recognized the child, a cry of joy went up. The missing baby? Someone shouted. Tears flowed as the baby's parents embraced their child, thanking the two forest friends over and over. That night, under a silver moon, Sonu and Raja sat by the river again, wet, exhausted, but glowing with pride. You were amazing, said Raja. You were fearless, replied Sonu. The river shimmered peacefully now, as if it too were grateful. From that day on, the tale of Sonu and Raja, the heroes of the river, was told for generations. And in the whispering woods, the bond of courage and friendship grew ever stronger.
कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें।